Hey y'all, hope everyone's doing well. Just wanted to show you the little babies here. Lucy, she's getting big. Hi Lucy. Say hello YouTube. Hi. Hello YouTube. She's tired. She's been out here for hours this morning, so we tuckered her right out. Hi Lucy. And there's Honey. Honey girl. Hey, say hello. Say hi. You did good girl. Yeah, good girl. I'm actually just about to put these tomato plants in the ground. There's over 30 of them there. I finished tilling my garden today. I got that fence up to keep out the chickens now that I'm planting. And as it turned out, I did not lose my pea plants for those first two rows. I don't know if you could see them. But yeah, they're there, right there, and right on the very end. And then I planted a row right there. I would have done more planting, but I had company, and we were in the parade today. Well, the church was in the parade, so I rented a trailer. And helped set it all up for the church. So they did that. They did that while I stayed here and finished tilling my garden. That section over there that got pounded by the rain, I had to re-till all that. Planted another row of peas. Now I'm going to plant the tomatoes and water everything and call it a day. But just wanted to say hello. Hope everyone is doing well. This is just a short video. And God bless you. And I, as always, look forward to talking to you in the comments. And like I said, as soon as I'm done planting these tomatoes, I'm off. So y'all have a great afternoon.